It's Connor from John Kleis Car Audio again. Here we have another Fiat 500. This one's coming for a usual upgrade, which is a double DIN conversion with Apple CarPlay in and potentially Android Auto and DAB and everything that a 2013 Fiat 500 wouldn't come with. Now let's show you what it looks like once it's finished with this conversion. So you're probably fully aware, if you own a Fiat 500, what they normally look like. You have a CD player, single DIN, with a row of air vents left to right on these. Now after you've done the conversion, you get a double DIN 7-inch touchscreen or 6.5, and then your air vents get moved to the left and the right, and these are fully operational, okay? It's a nice conversion, looks really good and sleek. Don't get really big massive panel gaps around the fascia, it just fits really nice. This Fiat doesn't have steering wheel controls, but if it did, they would work with this. This car has got start-stop technology, but we don't have a problem with that because we fit an interface to stop the unit from shutting down under start-stop. Now this Kenwood in particular is the DMX7722. This has got wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. You have got USB in there, so you can plug your phone into this open storage area if you want to, but wireless is obviously more preferred. We've got DAB, which is getting picked up through that aerial just there. We install the microphone in this nice subtle position just here. But yeah, great unit. It's probably one of the most affordable wireless CarPlay units on the market. It's a very good design, tablet style with no push buttons, so in this particular application it looks really nice. But yeah, Job's really happy with this one, looks great. If you like what you see, you got a Fiat 500 and you basically want the similar install, then you can like and subscribe our own YouTube channel, which is John Kleis Car Audio. We have obviously a contact via info@johnkleis.com. We have a WhatsApp phone number on our website. But yeah, any questions, don't forget to give us a shout. My name's Connor, signing off. See you later.